Until there was a meeting that at that point, Samia Okumu said Asamoah Gyan is angry. Nanko say Andrew Asamoah Gyan a press conference. A catcher Ghana for say Bawumia MPP for me a crom for. Bawumia and Samia who could have been calling Asamoah Gyan like 200 times. Asamoah Gyan is not picking up. Asamoah Gyan shedemu na osu. All the monko or shedem na osu. Now, the amount assembly cry crazy didn't say after Brante Womofas Diwie, and this guy decided to go and meet Asamoah Gyan to go and lie to Asamoah Gyan. Ewa Asamoah Gyan ankasa fie. And this is what happened.
Abusia Mwakwaba at the Batu Matthews, West was a name dedicated on me 8 years. Subscribe much on the winning me other man to send a upload the baby and sa a bit to me. I can't abusia Nancy Nakrata be a dear hima Asamoah Gyan in Nancy Asamoah Gyan Ababonti Abetress NPP who say what in a waka born on your monam no more campaign. Watching a home at the MPP among your economy fat. Ghana politics and Cassan watching a home at the FIMA among yourself as a modern actress on your beam. Nina and say MPP ever launch on manifesto somewhere August. No, you will say as a modern can move say not or no and a chairman at the man Dr. Bawumia. The manifesto are not all true near the Babu Mino. Youth and sports nana a woman. Asamoah Gyan and another chairman or chairs our committee no more share a true manifesto for youth and sports. Nina say Asamoah Gyan saying no say or football man no ball or Ghana and in Bawumia and then what did ye pa na what would be a foundation a Asamoah Gyan foundation or they bought a mebuno anon ntina MP phone say oh send ye hwehwe obi amanaba be youth and sports manifesto dia maya na say fa Asamoah Gyan anka eno ano nti Asamoah Gyan any MPP for ekoye collabo a ni hu se one omo enam a campaign ahodo omo ye nyina na one omo nyina na nam a oye campaign no na hini na Asamoah Gyan de krata eba abonten ebe kire se watwe ne ho de afi amanusem mu MPP ye hu ne se ne one omo nam one omo enante biem ni nyina ne se o kire se na ni suade hu na owo edima emmabunu no hu ne se so de ne ho bo MPP fo na se politics a obedi Ghana mabunu hwamo sei na Asamoah Gyan ensem no o tro de fire me be kinkan ensem no de amamu na se krata Asamoah Gyan Troy no tro no 11th September 2024 Asamoah Gyan Foundation or say statement Mr. Asamoah Gyan a vision for youth development through sports and philanthropy not just say so obema emmabunu no atumpon a or the befa agudi so and then philanthropy work so and no the befa amagana mabunu no edi you say as a proud Ghanaian deeply connected to our people, I feel a strong responsibility to give back to the community that shaped me. As Asamoah Gyan says, Oshe, say, Oye Ghanani, na Oye Ghanani or the Kwakwan, who say, baby, a Ghana, I want dinner do when a career, my football career, no, who say, I was so assigned my back to the society near Ghana for a year at the man, and I'm Ghana for Sona and Ne, Asamoah Gyan, Ababaya, Asamoah Gyan, or so, who say, I was set or sign Edema Ghana for Nyomo, Asher on fans, ne support, his sick apply it's your edition in Asamoah Gyan say, Uhune said, or so or sign Edema community not back. Or say, football has taken me to the world's biggest stages, but it's the value I have learned here resilience, discipline, and unity that have made me who I am. My vision is to empower the youth of Ghana and Africa through sports and philanthropy. Asamoah Gyan said, this is not about politics. I am fully independent from political influence. This is about our children, our communities, and our continent. Together, the support of international organizations, royal families, and philanthropic partners, we can create lasting change that empowers our youth to build the future they deserve. Sports saved me and gave me purpose. Its power goes beyond winning or losing. It's about overcoming setbacks, pushing through challenges, and believing in dreams. I want every young person, no matter their background, to have the same opportunity to realize their greatness. Through the Asamoah Gyan Foundation, the More Great Foundation, and all regional games, we will build sports academies, training centers, and mentorship programs that nurture young talent in all sports. More than that, we will emphasize education, character, and life skills to prepare our youth for success beyond the field. This mission is about hope and opening doors for those who feel I left behind, giving them the belief that their dreams are possible by promoting the UN Sustainable Development Goals, focusing on education, health, and equality. We can ensure that every young person has the chance to thrive. I believe sports can unite and inspire us in powerful ways. Together we can harness that power to uplift the next generation and create a brighter future for Ghana and Africa. And it's way and someone Asamoah Gyan edibeto dwa through Asamoah Foundation no obetimi sports academy, sports centers, mentorship programs any ade amamba buru na o hia se ode no ho bekwakobata amanyakuo bi ansa na watimi ita Asamoah Gyan wenum so na onam enunti wo hu ne se obetimi aye wabra politics bia for no anase onfa no ho enkokodom amansem enunti wenti wagina so atwe no ho edefi MPP amanyakuo nim ene politics amanyakuo nim nyina se obeya amanyasem dia Asamoah Gyan se watwe no ho ede efim na ensemi ebeto odwa no na inside the bia onim ne yekoso ewoso kire se enye no pre ne Asamoah Gyan e kan wo boa ne nyina ne se MPP for share ne boss se oba no ho bebo mu a Omba the sports minister, that is Oba best minister of youth and sports, that is Oba Behembu, and Yakudi Samson, and no, and I will be nearby a man young fast position or arm farm and a banacrapo. If you just say and 2 minutes, then it is a position of Aqua Mobia, and I say, a better Musubi said, man. Now, swing them in 7 chess, or my fast position, and young farmer, and Nunti and Asamoah Gyan and Janasso say, watching them, and no confidential, and Calvin tell us so at the video about our loud silence TV now. I know why so Nimsia Asamoah Gyan actually no defi MPP amiko.
Adentina suddenly Asamoah Gyan becro say we deceive the youth of Ghana. Such statement away from Asamoah Gyan is a serious statement. He has not been fair, meaning he lied to the young people of Ghana. Mebetina catch him say Asamoah Gyan so okotobi. Suddenly Asamoah Gyan so ne Bawumia ne nam. Asamoah Gyan was doing politics with the youth of Ghana. Asamoah Gyan does not care about any young person in Ghana. Asamoah Gyan has always been a selfish individual. He has always cared about himself. So, or the Ghana youth, that is what he would do. As we speak tonight, this statement from Asamoah Gyan should make every young person see Asamoah Gyan as a day, Asamoah Gyan as a hypocrite. So Asamoah Gyan begina TV so ka asem chiro the young person say, oh, Tuma Bawumia, MPP a party, or say Oto Junso Gunu ho. Because on one day the Numa Kachira will say the MPP as a political party, he joined them to campaign to lie to you, and the Wababe Kachira will say he has not been fair to you. It means Asamoah Gyan has done you damage. Asamoah Gyan is the enemy of the youth, and I expect the young people of Ghana to think. They be a catchiremo. These boys don't care about you people. They care only about themselves. Now, my mentor the Kudientia Asamoah Gyan say we jai MPP. Okay? Mama Chiro, Asamoah Gyan, the singing say, Omo di Asamoah Gyan to. Yakaso mo di Asamoah Gyan to, it's in quote. Bibe Chiro. There's this young man, this gentleman called Franklin. Papa we. Your friend Franklin. Right? Now, Sir Franklin way. Na konta ene Samia Uku. I'm trying to get everything right for you. Me pesa me de Franklin no ne social media handle chiro se ne be ya you will pull it out. Okay. Now, this guy called Franklin Oware Samia Uku nua ba. Na Sir Franklin way One Samia Uku and a kofa Asamoah Gyan be joining Edian Bawumia campaign. In fact, it was Samia Uku who brought Asamoah Gyan se Ombra embe joining Edian embe joining Bawumia campaign. And then he used this guy who is Nakonta. Right? Now, this guy One Samia Uku edi Asamoah Gyan ebe joining Bawumia campaign. MPP forecast say Asamoah Gyan has a lot of record bia it will solve the campaign of Bawumia. And Samia Wukuka so omu hia Asamoah Gyan. If you Asamoah Gyan astate adie bi efeno regional tour onena nam Ghana kikan some che youth no inti omu person mu use Asamoah Gyan na ode omu de ne campaign. Right? Now remember Asamoah Gyan o starte sa ne nyoma no omu approach no omu ka cha Asamoah Gyan say omu person omu ma no the ministerial job omu person ko be the sports minister. Enti omuti committee na omudi Asamoah Gyan to ano say onye chairman of the sports committee no because Asamoah Gyan adwene wo fom nti na adwene ye ne say the sports committee Bawumia manifesto committee no technically wabeda ne minister. Enti omu wie manifesto committee sports omu ye omu manifesto wie no omu gu committee no ehona Asamoah Gyan be hu said abi the people are not even calling me again. At this point they don't even respect me. What is going on? Into this guy, your friend Franklin, or no, and the lady, Asamoah Gyan. Now Asamoah Gyan ever joining Bawumia campaign. No? They made him understand, say they wanted him to lie to the young people of Ghana. On first an regional tour now, or you know, on converting into a campaign Emma Bawumia and it's na who say Asamoah Gyan na one Bawumia mo enam na Samia Wuku and orchestrate we nyina. Now because Asamoah Gyan is not that smart, something happened. Omo ka cha Asamoah Gyan say sa ne regional tour ade na ode aba no say the tour no the same time a one Bawumia nam a amanfo be hu say sika bi ba no hɔ a people will say Bawumia any aban musika no matamama because na one omatena say for money. And there was an amount they were going to pay Asamoah Gyan. That is $5 million. Asamoah Gyan onti $5 million. And Asamoah Gyan can say, okay, now what he wants to do then they say, Sir Franklin guy will catch Asamoah Gyan and say, oh, person will change the registration of Asamoah Gyan regional tour na manipa na company ni be ne dia no anonymous send be ya obian to me and connect say sika bi ba Asamoah Gyan wa it is not in the name of Asamoah Gyan. What happened was that this guy your friend Franklin Samia Wuku akonta no he turned around and what he did was Sir Franklin when the nephew no what for see your friend no Prince Osei Ochre and akwa way behind the scenes no omu change Asamoah Gyan the whole event no omu di edino ne wo fa se na efre no Prince Osei Ochre omu di ni din without Asamoah Gyan's knowledge tie and ntina me no ka say Asamoah Gyan ohyedem osu. Now after they did the changes of the company, they named the ownership no this guy he's like an event organizer ne ade oni Samia Wuku tinas no mu say Asamoah Gyan e Jimmy. So what they did was that $5 million no when the money came inside Asamoah Gyan enya access to the money and a boy we ene Samia Wuku mu e boost kanim until later and Asamoah Gyan be hu say ne whole thing no sika no krampo so e dia shem personally no over $300,000. Because remember, time about Bawumia efra Asamoah Gyan so me joining no. Now Asamoah Gyan started yes sa tour original tour no soccer the end no. Now we invested close to $300,000 wom as sika na she. Enti enkofo we buy na Asamoah Gyan wa emre enti no dwen say this is the money a. So ne Bawumia na ntina sokoye or affiliated with Bawumia campaign now, they are going to drop the $5 million for him. And a guy with your friend Franklin, Samia Wuku the Samia Wuku akontane no or ware Samia Wuku nuaba. Into one Samia Wuku tina sia no modwene mu say Asamoah Gyan Jimmy. Into what they did was that they registered the whole thing in Eden Ochre na your friend no Prince Osei Ochre akwa we were fast ni di mu. Into technically Asamoah Gyan was rendered stupid. Later Asamoah Gyan be hu say manifesto committee na yeguno. Nobody is calling me. The money too I'm expecting to come in, the money I have put in, Ninjina is gone. What is happening? I want Asamoah Gyan who say, Kai, I want to need the talk. Until there was a meeting that at that point, Samia Wuku who say Asamoah Gyan is angry. Nanko say Andrew Asamoah Gyan a press conference, a catch Ghana for say, Bawumia MPP for me a crumb for. Bawumia and Samia who could have been calling Asamoah Gyan like 200 times. Asamoah Gyan is not picking up. Asamoah Gyan shedem na osu. All the monko or shedem na osu. Now, the amount of some cry crazy didn't say after Brante Womofasi can do you know, and this guy decided to go and meet Asamoah Gyan to go and lie to Asamoah Gyan. Ewa Asamoah Gyan ankasa fie, and this is what happened. Baby Jet. Inti akwa we kwa Asamoah Gyan fie no, de ekosi ho na me de be kire mo hwe. Enti Asamoah Gyan ko horo ene paye. Enti akwa ne be hia Asamoah Gyan sa ma story. Obesa hwe bi memo asa hwe bi. Oh, there's a longer version a Asamoah Gyan hwe akwa bi aso mo abontene. Asamoah Gyan ko so mo chini tum. An innocent man. Asamoah Gyan hwe na so mo room ho. Asamoah Gyan has to be in jail. Me mama sound because me say me mama sound be later. Asamoah Gyan needs to do a press conference because the documentations are made bano. Asamoah Gyan, you cannot get out of this because you have basically lied to millions of young people in Ghana. Me catch out say what you are doing, no stop. But you were greedy. You thought to say, Obie Jimmy, you have done politics for a long time. You wanted to mislead the youth. Into this meeting about no, Franklin Eba be share Asamoah Gyan no. And Asamoah Gyan say, na mama di misika. Mo sa ba ba keka, into Samia ukude no jina gate nechi. Asamoah Gyan, at the end of the day, no, $5 million, no, he knows he needs to come out and tell us, say, dear, can be born as a memoir because I have more to show Ghana for. Monsan should be where Asamoah Gyan on a Franklin no. This is the meeting. Asamoah Gyan oni abudro. Na dem here say Asamoah Gyan deceive young people in Ghana. What he did, he needs to have a press conference. And think of the young people in Ghana, they could $5 million a dikwa. Open sound the other sound out there. What is sound the other? What is sound the other? Mema sound in abutre na mo predodo. Mema mo sound, mema wa Asamoah Gyan ne Bawumia, mema wa Asamoah Gyan ne de Samia wuku. Mema wo sound. I don't know what pre ho. Open sound, open sound, mema wo sound. Now, I'm giving Asamoah Gyan 48 hours on the press conference. It will help him. Because when you go outside Ghana, Asamoah Gyan has no credibility again. Asamoah Gyan outside Ghana, they see him as a chronic liar who wanted to use Unim. Asamoah Gyan cannot go out there and sell anything to anybody out there, say, or Pesa or Yebibima, the youth of Ghana. He is a liar. And it's going to follow him. Because young people in Ghana, Asamoah Gyan wanted to just go sell them for $5 million. Keke. anything me catch them conform to TV nobody di atem yet Asamoah Gyan there ona Asamoah Gyan is greedy me no kasa na dwo hyede musu sa ne 16 regional tours ne gu right now he has no option than go and borrow money and do it oniska. All right. More person that then missing part 2, part 3 wo. And this problem Samia Uku. Sasika make Samia Uku dimbe 2.5 million. Waje. And into the Samia Uku sorry no to media. I was a Ghana media obi antumi Samia Uku asem. We tia obi aka. Samia Uku has paid every media house. Samia Uku the best job and say we a media person now you're critical, he will find a way to become your friend. And the first thing he will do is to try and say, oh, nya, and the way they were with him. And that is what he does. Into every journalist in Ghana, 90% of them, Samia Uku has given them money. And to me, Samia Uku because Samia Uku catch also a presidential ambition. Me say what is so be Samia Uku wasamda. They don't. They know Samia Uku is committing crime at NLA. They don't. Because, oh no, the strategy in say, or spread this sika our ground media houses obema skills here he will pay you and the pontina Asamoah Gyan Asamoah media no cry they are not on it because this goes to the spine of soccer players in Ghana. This is dangerous. Asamoah Gyan misled millions of young people. This is not a joke. This is something the media need to call out Asamoah Gyan and tell him that he should be ashamed of himself and he should not come close to anything called we are organizing soccer. The media needs to be very, very strict on somebody on Sabra so because Samia Uku is telling them that they should not speak on it. And this goes to the spine of Bawumia's campaign. The Bawumia's campaign has always been about lies. People they don't care about Ghanaians. They don't care about anybody. So also be the Bawumia chia na sika na kasa of the bemano. It is not about your interest. It is not about you, the young person watching Asamoah Gyan. Asamoah Gyan does not care about you. Asamoah Gyan needs his money. So nisika ma the same thing occurring in Brazil no. Okochi Shebo SDBH say munye demonstration na make captain the men kasa the same thing he did in Brazil. Time na end this war power. Asamoah Gyan ko Shebo SDBH and oya den okwo wo moti ko say munye demonstration. The president then called Asamoah Gyan, let me talk to you captain. O say onye riffraff like you. Asamoah Gyan did not talk to the president because they wanted the NDC to make a mistake. Send the partner of financing power. And the one with the Omudiano. Omuye na no de come ateni say Sule Muntari aboa. Muntari when I tell you ndi Sule Muntari atem. Sule Muntari dey no ye. Player ben na camp one just can be. But at the end of the day it was Sule Muntari on na teni aboa be to be din atem moa. Sa asem na si wo camp no. Enya Asamoah Gyan na captain Tornado mu na den ye wie ye ka say oh Sule Muntari wo Sule Muntari wo na wudin da so player ben na wo camp one just can be kwasiafo we na mudidi omochi bloggers bedidi bloggers a video bedidi Kevin Taylor fa bodu ochira obi a tiare red ene dey
Entebusan ya bra Kelvin Taylor ena ya kwakoti senior den nsem no ababegu ho na ebi che say Kelvin Taylor ndi enim se oye NDC nti we na oye ndi propaganda bi keke ni nyina mu no se Kelvin Taylor propaganda ana so Asamoah Gyan na twa youth ne ntro ana asem na waka no kure bi mu a wose mu ja comment comment section mo bi mu se nsem oje no efa we bi ne sa no bi subscribe button so now the notification bell no aka ho se na be ya upload video bia onsa ebetimi aka ko Facebook nso a too much gije ho so e ana wa like no wa share e dia no makra